If you're the mom of a picky eater, then you know grocery shopping is not just a chore. It's a high-stakes mission. Today, I am on a street budget of $20. Yes, you heard me right, $20. His pantry is running low, and I need to get him 3 of his favorites and 1 mystery food. Can I satisfy a picky eater with $20? Let's find out. First on the list is chicken strips. Yes, we cannot survive the week without these chicken strips. And they're actually good, guys. Just throw them in the air fryer. Perfecto. And then we have pizza. And it has to be a particular type, the pepperoni. He loves pizza. And this is another favorite that we cannot go a week without. All right, so we have the chicken strips for $9.97. The pizza for $1.97, so we're at a total of $11.94. Let's continue shopping. Goldfish is another favorite for Zai, and I am looking at the packaging because there's one particular type that he likes, and this one is a no-no. He likes the regular cheddar. The other one has too much cheese and he will not eat it. I have picked up 3 of his safe essentials and the total is now $18.71. And I need to pick up a mystery item for him. I was thinking about a fruit. I know he likes apples and bananas, but I want to try a fruit with him. Let's see if we can get something for $1. Let's go. I am stressed out with this challenge because I am at $18 and I need one more item. I don't even think this is possible. This is so hard to spend just $20 on 3 items. Well, not 3 items, but 4. Help! I think I'm gonna do a switch right here. So I see the francs for $3 and change. And I know the francs are good for lunch. So I am gonna have to switch out something from this cart, and best believe it's gonna be the Goldfish. I am going to switch out these Goldfish snacks and take the francs because the math, we could not go up with to the price of the Goldfish. So let me go find a fruit. I had to put back the Goldfish and I replaced it with the turkey francs. My total is now $12.71. So I'm going to try them with a fruit. Stick around. Now for the mystery item, I saw these tamarind and immediately went back to childhood. I grew up eating this and really want him to experience the flavor. So I'm taking a risk, guys, and adding it to the haul. This could be a total fail or a new favorite. Ooh. So now I have my 4 items and I'm on my way to the cash register. Wish me luck, guys. Now for the moment of truth. I have everything in my cart and my $20 bill ready for checkout. All right, here we have the francs. My heart is pounding because I really want this to be a hit. Here we got the pizza. Not bad. Next is the chicken strips. Oh no. This. And then we have the tamarind. Alright, so it's way over, guys. Oh my goodness. I totally forgot about the taxes. Whoa. Alright, so now I gotta revamp. So we're gonna put back the tamarind and find something a little bit more affordable. So we are under $20. So I have these Blackberries. Hopefully he'll like this. So let's do this again, because first time it was very embarrassing. I had to call a representative to come and cancel the order. So let's do this one the right way. All right, fingers crossed, guys. $20 or less. We did it, guys. $18.44. Yes, our picky eater will be fed. It took a little awkward moment with the cashier and a little extra work, but we got it done. And this is just me not knowing where to put the note. Forgive me. Guys, mission accomplished. I was able to get my 3 safe essentials for my picky eater and that one mystery item, which is the Blackberry. So total I spent $18.44 and my challenge was $20. Mom, we're winning over here. We are on the winning team. If you are a mom of a picky eater, go ahead and drop a trophy because we're winning this season. Yes, we're winning this season. And guys, stay tuned for the next video to see what is his reaction to the Blackberry. If you have reached this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and remember to subscribe. Until next time, bye guys.